Friends, today we are starting graphics designing course for deaf. This course will have around 10 different lectures. In each lecture, we will try to teach you something new. At the end of this course, you will learn how you can design your own website. For example, you can build a website like this. You can create content. You will learn how to create a logo. You will learn how you can publish different things, for example, on YouTube, and you can create your own identity, your own brand. So we start with logo designing course today. In this lecture, we will talk about what is logo. We will give some examples of good and bad logos. We will show you how you can design your own logo using a tool. And then we will show you how you can download your logo package, and then you can use it on Facebook, on YouTube, and so on. So let's start with what exactly is a logo. Logo is a visual representation which identifies your company or a product. It gives an easy way to recognize a company. For example, let's look at logo for Apple. Whenever you see this logo, you know that we are talking about Apple, the company that makes computers and mobile phones. When you see a logo of Mercedes, you know that this represents a company which builds cars or trucks. When you see a logo of Nike, as you can see here with a tick mark, you instantly know that this logo represents a company which makes sporting equipment. Now, we have covered what exactly is logo. Just to do a quick recap, logo is a visual representation of your company. It's a way you can identify your organization. It's a way you can identify your company. Now let's look into some good and bad logos. A good logo should be simple. It should not be complicated. It should not be forgettable. Once you see a logo, you would remember it. It should look good now, and it should good look after a few years as well. And it should be unique. It should be different. It should not be copied. Let's look into some famous logos. You have a few logos over here. You have a logo from McDonald's. You have a logo for BMW. They all are unique. They all are different. They are simple. They are not too complicated. How about some bad logos? All these logos are very bad logos. If you look into the first one, it uses strange colors. Second logo with paint does not reflect what the company wants to do. So stay away from these bad logos. Right, now we will discuss and we will show you how you can design your own logo using an online tool. First of all, I would like you to go to this website. When you go to this website, you see this home page. Using this tool, you can create logos online. You do not have to copy anything. This is free, so you can play with different logo designs and you can download them for free afterwards. So the first thing that you have to do is that you have to sign up using your email address. So I will go here, sign up. I will press this button and here I can create an account. I have to give my email address. So I will give my email address. You can use your own email address. And then you have to select a password. Password has to be 6 characters long. So I will choose a 6-character passwords. Now, when you create an account, it will save your logos. It means you can come back to your logo and then you can finish your logo. It also gives you free download of your logos. Okay, so going back. So I wanted to create an account. I gave an email address and I gave it a 6-character password. I will sign up. Now I can see that I am logged in using my email address, as you can see here. Next time, when you come to this website, I will leave from here. You do not have to go to sign up. You can simply go to login. I will simply go to login. I will give my email address and I will give my password. And as you can see, I am again logged in on this page. Now I can simply press this button, get started. And here I can start creating my logo. First thing that we have to do, you have to identify your business space. Ask yourself a question. Are you building a logo for some fashion? Are you building a logo for a company which works with sports? Are you building a logo for some game? You have few options over here. So I will start with selecting games. I will select game and I will press next. Now I have to choose a visual style. It means, do I want to be futuristic? It means it will have elements from futuristic components. Do you want it to be elegant? Do you want to be classic? Do you want to have a calm logo? Do you want to have a friendly logo? So I will select friendly. Let's go next. Now this is where I have to give a business name. I will give a business name. This is the name of my company. Now I can also give a slogan. Let's see what exactly is a slogan. So, slogan is a sentence which represents your idea, your product, or your organization. For example, sandwich company Subway, they have a slogan, Eat Fresh. So when you think about Subway, you think about their mission, you think about their idea. BMW car company, they have a logo about creating driving machine. Apple has a logo, think different. So you have to think about your logo and your slogan as well. So I will go back. So I have given a friendly deaf game and I will have a slogan, and you can think about your own slogan for all deaf, old or young. So my slogan is, my objective is that I am creating a game which is for all deaf, whether they are young or they are old. Okay, so to recap, you have to select a business name. Business name is the name of the company. I gave Friendly Deaf Game. This is the name of my company, name of my business. And then I can also give a slogan, which is the idea of my company. Now let's press next. Now you have to tell where will you use this logo. Do you want to use this logo on a website like this? Or do you want to use a logo on social media like Facebook? Do you want to use a logo to print on a paper or print on a shirt? Do you want a logo to create a business card? So I will choose that I want to create a logo for my website. I also want to use a logo for my Facebook as well. Let's select next. Now it creates some logos for me. So it has created some logos. So it created, for example, a friendly deaf game. It has used this symbol. It has created this logo, friendly deaf game, and use this symbol. So it has created some logos for me. So I will choose, for example, this logo, friendly deaf game. Now in this logo, my business name is there. But this logo does not allow my slogan. So I would like to change that. So I can choose this one. So in this logo, I have a friendly deaf game, and I have my slogan, that game for all deaf, young or old. Now I have this logo, I can start changing it. I can go to fonts. Fonts is different shapes of your text. I can use this font, or I can use this font, or I can use this font. I like this font. How about color? I can use this color, or I can use this color, or maybe I would like to use some color like this. I prefer this color. Now, how about different symbols? I can use a symbol for an aeroplane. Now, in this case, I am creating a game. I am creating a logo for my game. So I can try entertainment. This looks fine. This is about a game. Or I can maybe use this one. You have more options. I prefer this one. Now, you have your logo created. This is the logo of my company. Now I can start using this logo on my website. Now we have to download our logo. So once my logo is created, I can press download logo and it will create logos for me. I can go back, I can edit this logo, or I can download this logo. If I press download, it tells me that my logo has been sent to my email address. In today's lecture, we talked about logo. We gave you examples of good and bad logo. And we showed you how you can design a logo using an online tool. Once you are done with creating a logo, you can download that logo, which has different images. You can use those logos for your website. You can use those logos for Facebook. Now, in our next lecture, we will talk about some other tools. So it is important that if you can follow these instructions and create any logo of your own. Thank you.